Oh, is this thing on? Is it live? Is it like on now? What am I supposed to do? Randomly talk? Oh, can I talk about the phone? Should I? Okay. So what I was gonna do is gonna show you guys how to replace or repair your camera in your iPhone. Recently I had a person come to me, their iPhone, every time you open the camera app, it would just sit there and shake and stutter, and it was making a vibrating noise or a humming noise. So basically all this video is just a real quick video showing you how to replace it yourself. Save your time, save your money, and if it helps you, please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. I appreciate it, and thanks for watching. To get started, let's go ahead and turn our device off. Now down here at the bottom of your phone, we'll take these two Penelope screws out. We'll take our suction cup and take our pry tool down here at the bottom of the phone and start prying up. So now we have two screws right here for our battery, and then we have 5 more screws up here for our proximity sensor and digitizer. We're going to go ahead and unscrew those. Okay, and now we can go ahead and take the frame that is covering those cables, and we can go ahead and pop them off. And then we'll take our plastic spudger, go ahead and unsnap our battery cable. And after that, we'll work our way up to the top of the phone here. There are 4 more cables here. Go ahead and unsnap them as well. Okay, so now this is the camera that we need, and there's a little flex cable here. We're going to go ahead and unsnap it, and then 2 screws are holding this frame in to get to the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the phone around. Hopefully you can get a better look here at these 2 screws that you need to take out. Now we'll take our frame off here, and it will expose the camera module that we need to replace. So there's the old camera out, new camera coming in. These are the 2 parts. We're just going to swap the old one with the new one. So now that we've got the camera module in place, make sure that you go ahead and snap the flex cable back in. You should be able to hear a little clicky sound. Once you got that, you're good to go, and then we can put the frame back over top of this. Now we're going to turn our phone back around where you can snap the 4 cables here for the screen back together. This gives you a better angle so you can see what you're working with. Hopefully you can hear it click into place. We're going to go ahead and snap the battery back into place here, and then we're going to power the iPhone on just to make sure everything's working properly. Now that we've acknowledged that the screen itself is working properly, we'll go ahead, put our 5 screws back over here with that frame, as well as the 2 down here for the battery. We'll snap the screen back down here to the base of the phone. And one thing you don't want to forget is these 2 pentalobe screws here. Once you get those in, your repair is done. Please, if this video helped you at all, please give me a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.